Hey, cowgirl, don't go into the city for tack for your horse or bling to make you pretty. Trot down the trail to Luxe Saddlery and Outfitters. They're stocked to the top with fine leather gear and cool saddles to fit your rear. Western shirts, hats, boots, and belts so hot, and real leather purses that don't cost a lot. And kids' Western boots for the little ones at home. Annie Oakley cologne so your cowboy won't leave you alone. With great prices like this, everyone will think you're big and rich.
Luxe Saddlery and Outfitters, 113 Main, downtown Luck. Hey, cowboy, you don't need to go searching for tack for your horse or boots for working. Trot down the trail to Luxe Saddlery and Outfitters. They have cool Western wear and saddles to fit your derriere. Roping or wrangling or just country jamming, Luxe Saddlery and Outfitters will make you look outstanding at Luxe Saddlery and Outfitters. Luxe Saddlery and Outfitters, 113 Main, downtown Luck.